You seen them, the wobbly hands, the melting scenery, the people who are almost but not quite human. That, my friend, is the AI cursed cinematic universe. We all want incredible video from tools like Sora, Gen 2 or Pika, but 90% of we get looks like a low budget horror film, and it's not the tool fault, it's our prompt. You keep writing prompts that the AI simply can't handle yet. But the secret to generating cinema quality AI video isn't magic, it's prompt structure. We are going to break down the actual formula today. I am going to give you 10 prompts that consistently work, look incredible, and explain the one reason why each of them so damn good and avoid the uncanny valley. First, let's quickly understand the curse trap. Why prompt fail? AI currently struggles most with four things: multiple characters interacting, rapid scene cuts, complex camera moves like a dolly zoom, and the number one source of the curse: unpredictable human faces and hands. So the known curse rule is keep it simple, keep it clean. Now let's dive into the first three foundation prompt that prove it. Stick around because prompt number 8 gives you the secret to using humans without them melting. The first three prompts are about establishing the known curse fundamentals. We need to remove the AI biggest stressors, complex momentum, and realism flow. Prompt number 1: a single slick black sports car racing through a tunnel. Slow motion, bright neon, strip lighting, cinematic, wide angle, shoot 4K real static. And why it works? It's all about singular forces and simple motion. We use the token sinker to prevent the AI from generating multiple overlapping cars. The subject, the car has one clean, consistent action, and the cinematic terms force a high quality professional look. Prompt number 2: a close-up shot of a steaming ceramic coffee cup on a rain streak window still. Volumetric morning light, shallow depth of field, cinematic photo quality. And why it works? This is the power of the static scene. You eliminate almost all the movement that causes glitch. Indeed, we shift the complexity to atmosphere and lighting. Keywords like volumetric, morning light, and shallow depth of field are incredibly strong visual token that the AI loves, and they produce instant beautiful mood. Prompt number 3: a Japanese watercolor painting of a whale reaching a calm sea at sunset. Gentle camera zoom out. And why it's work? This is the art style cheat code. By specifying an art style like watercolor, pixel art, or anime, you internationally guide the AI away from trying to generate flora, uncanny valley realism. The AI flow are noticeable when the content is already stylish, and the gentle camera zoom out gives it just enough momentum to feel dynamic. Prompt 1: taught us singular focus. Prompt 2: show us the power of atmosphere. And prompt 3 is the ultimate art style cheat code. Next, we are going to tackle action and camera momentum with prompt 4 through 6. Welcome back. Session 1 was about simplifying your subject. Now we are tackling what makes AI video move without reaching specific camera, language, and environment focus. Prompt number 4: a slow tracking shot following a single drop of water as it falls onto a mossy rock in a dark forest. Extreme close-up, 8K ultra realistic footage. And why it's work? This uses the power of the tracking shot on the small subject. AI struggles with the pupil walking, but it excels at predictable small-scale environmental physics like mist or water. The instruction tracking shot tells the AI exactly how the camera should move. It follows the target, which is simple and consistent, preventing the wobbly mess of undefined camera. Prompt number 5: an aerial drone shoot flying over a vast desert canyon at golden hour. Subtle atmospheric dust. Cinema grade. And why it's work? This is the landscape safety net. This prompt contains zero characters or complex object. The subject is an environment itself, which AI can generate beautifully. More importantly, specifying area drone should define the single most important element, the camera, perspective, and momentum type. It tells the AI its high, width, smooth, flyover, simple, and cinematic. Pro number 6, a glowing circuit board, pulsating with blue energy. The camera orbits 360 degrees around the device. Marco lens, deep focus sci-fi style. And why it's work? This uses a defined rotational loop. The command orbit 360 degrees is simple, clear, and more importantly, its loop motion. The AI can easily maintain without introducing error. You also wisely choose the sci-fi genre, which allows the AI to use complex lighting and visual effects to mask any mirror imperfections in the rendering. So from 4 to 6 show us the power of defined camera perspective. Use the cinematic language. Next we are going to layer all these techniques into the 4 advanced prompt including the secret to successfully generating the risk subject of all humans. This is the final frontier. We call this detailed stacking. It's about taking everything we have learned, simple subject, clear action, and cinematic language, and layering it with heavy atmosphere and specific lighting to generate truly complex non-cursed scenes. Prompt number 7, a brave knight riding a horse through a foggy forest at dawn, cinematic 4K wide-angle shoot, golden molding light, slow motion mist swirling, and why it's work. This is the power of mood token. The subject is a complex action, but we hide potential flaws by dominating the scene with atmosphere, foggy forest, and slow motion mist. Literally obscure the background, and golden molding light is a strong visual keyword the AI is trained to render beautifully, overriding minor imperfection with stunning light. Pro number 8, a young astronaut floating silently in a spacecraft cabin. Gentle pushing camera movement, zero gravity, ultra detailed, mute, sci-fi plate, and why it's work. This is the secret to control humans. Asking for a person to walk or run is a disaster, but asking for them to be floating silently in zero gravity is a slow motion state that much easier for the AI to maintain without melting the face or hand. The gentle pushing give it cinematic movement without being jarring. Prompt number 9. Close up of a medieval book opening to reveal glowing, swirling magical lines. On the page, deep shadows, candlelight, flicker, fantasy, art style. And why it's work. This uses FX tokens as the main subject. The action isn't the person but the effect. When you make the visual effect the star of the show like fire, glowing energy or magic, the AI focuses its rendering power there and the light source adds subtle beautiful motion without complication. Pro number 10, a time lapse of a massive ancient desert temple being slowly burned by sand dunes. Cinematic low angle shot, harsh sunlight, and why it's work. This is the control environmental range. AI struggles with fast action, but it excels at slow, predictable environmental transition. The time lapse token guarantees slow, stable, impactful movement without any glitchy action. It's a great example of using a time-based command to force control motion.